Hello guys, are you interested to come here in the UK as a registered nurse without giving an English exam? So this video is for you. Make sure that you keep watching this video till end and do not skip this video because in this video I'm going to explain you the steps that how I came here in the UK as an international educated nurse and now working as a registered nurse here in the UK without giving any English exam. Before starting this video, I would like to tell you about myself. My name is Paris Morris and I'm an international educated nurse and currently working here in the UK as a registered nurse. I have recently received my NMC Pin without giving any English exam. So if you are interested videos like this, so make sure that you subscribe to the PHS guide because on this channel we make videos regarding international students and international trained nurses so that it will be beneficial for them and it will be easy for them to understand the process that we are using here in the UK, and it will be very beneficial for you as well. So please like, subscribe and share to those who are really interested in content like this. So as you have already came here to see the route which I have adopted to get registered with NMC. So without wasting any time, I would like to share with you the route is called the Sife route. Sife stands for supporting information from the employer. In this route, the employer usually gives the reference NMC that this is a person who is working with us here in the NHS hospital for at least 1 year, and during the period of that time we have seen and observed him talking and having conversation with the doctors, nurses and all the colleagues, and we are here to give the verdict or give the reference that this person can speak and write and understand in the English. Moving further, I would like to tell you about the Sife. When I myself heard about the Sife, before understanding about the Sife, I have already been here in the UK and I was working as a healthcare assistant, and I have already given IELTS and OIT, but I was not able to get my desirable score for the NMC, so that's why I was very frustrated and agitated, and I was very hopeless as well because there was no such routes for so many international educated nurses who are working here in the UK in the NHS hospitals, care homes, but they can't work here as a registered nurse. However, they are all working as a healthcare assistant because they don't have the international registered nurse pin. So this is the route that the NMC has recently introduced and it's been there for 1 year. But I'm making this video because I want to make sure that the whole process is understandable, and now I have accomplished my pin through the Sife route, and that's why I'm just making this video so that I can share my experience with you. If you are thinking about using the Sife route, it is important to know whether you are qualified for the Sife route. So there are two options that make you qualify for the Sife route. The first option is that if you have given an English exam like IELTS and OIT and you have missed your module by 0.5 score in IELTS or and a half score with the OIT, so then you are eligible to consider the Sife route. And the other Sife route option is that you are an international educated nurse and you have done your nursing in the English, and where English is not the major language in your country, then this is the second option that makes you qualify for the Sife route. After considering one of these options, the next eligibility criteria is that you have been working here in the UK for at least 1 year and you are working in the same organization or the trust, and the line manager with you are working is not more than 2. For me, Sife was the perfect option because I have been working here already here in the UK for more than 1 year, and it is not that you just have to give the exam, but you have to also prove that you are confident enough to speak in the English, so which I have already proven to my trust that I'm working here for more than 1 year, and during that time they have observed my communication skill, and then I have to talk to my manager that whether they are agree to give me the reference, and then when I speak with my manager they were very happy to give me the reference, and then this is how I started my application. So moving further in the Sife requirement, so as I've already told you that you need your line manager to be involved in this route. So when you are ready to start your Sife route, you need to speak with your line manager, and then once they are agreed, they will speak with your management in the hospital, which includes your matron as well. and once everyone is happy to give you the reference, then you will contact to the NMC and then you will give the details of your line manager. After that, the NMC will contact your line manager through a Sife form on which the line manager and the matron has to give their consent and the reference as well, which include their name, signature and their NMC pin as well. So once they submitted all the details which is required on the Sife route, then they submitted that then they submit that form back to the NMC, and after the NMC has verified everything, they will just give you the NMC pin. So as you know that this is a very straightforward and a smooth procedure. So all you need is to start your NMC application, and you need to prove your English evidence by giving this proof or the evidence from your line manager. I know working here in the UK as a healthcare assistant is very challenging. However, you can speak here in the English as well, but because you don't have a proper evidence to prove your English, so the Sife route is one of the best option for you to consider at the moment. And once you consider, you will get your pin as well. So this is a very short video on the Sife route. I hope you all like this video. If you like the content like this, and if you need any other further information regarding your English requirement or the NMC, just write down in the comment. Make sure you just share this video with those who are really interested in getting their pin, and we will make sure that in the future we make more videos on such particular topics, so that it will be easier for all those who are working here in the UK as a healthcare assistant or in any other occupation, but they are an international educated nurses, so that they can get their NMC pin and will be able to start their journey as a registered nurse. Thank you for this video. Just like, subscribe and share to those who are really interested in such videos. Thank you.